only went at this video. Metomaka na share button. Share this video. Onwela ajụjụ nchọrọ ejo Matthias, that GO of ndị omenala bụ ụzọ okwu asị na ọnwụ. And achọkwa m ejo wajawaja eziokwu bụ ndụ. Because now the aspect of the spiritual aspect of this life, so I want to ask both of you and the Zonine an important question. Ono said that this life is physical and there is nothing spiritual about this life. But onu believe na chukwu okike abịama. Onu believe na chukwu okike abịama weke kere ụwa niile. Now I want to ask you people a very important question. That creation, that creator, ono attached to that chukwu okike, to that chukwu, gosiri no nya wonye kelu mmadu niile. Mwejo wese, if life is physical and not spiritual, did that creation take the process of that creation, is it physical or is it spiritual? Like a cement in a baja in where keep one mixture a cement yone head pan ajone na millione cage wepo. That creation, did it take part physically or spiritually? How many bags of cement? How many ajopa? And this creation, did it take part in this world or before or beyond this world? I don't know if you are getting my point. Because if truly that there is nothing spiritual about this life, what it means is that your creator, Matthias creator, wajawaja creator, ejiko moment of truth creator, guezibo creator, is your mother and your father, and not anybody. So can you tell me the chukwu okike abịama Matthias delu na pages today? Say, let me get it so that you see. Yes. Also, let us can I make mistake. Don't forget to join us today as we adore and uplift the name of our ancestors and creator, Chukwu Okike Abịama. He want to adore the name of his ancestors and the creator, Chukwu Okike Abịama. Meaning that all recognize the existence of his ancestors and recognize that beyond that ancestors who hamolo ye na nwekwere Chukwu Okike Abịama kelu ye we tinye ye na afọ ancestors ya homolo ye. Now, did that creation take part physically or spiritual? Was it in this world or beyond this world? Was it what happened before your existence or after your existence? If it is before your existence, what it means is that it is more spiritual than you thought, because and yet you believe that you were created. If man is God to man, don't you think that your mother and your father supposedly were your first God? Who is that God? That God or because I am judging you people by what you believe in. Because on the moon be on Facebook without counting your words. Based on Bible verses and chapters. That is not the best. That the best is to take you people fat to fat. Your word against your word. Chukwu Okike Abịama. Every day, waje tupu Chukwu Okike Abịama. When you people celebrated the 10-year-old boy meghepụrụ ọnụ na-akọtu from Ghana. Did you not hear when he was asked who created him? The 10-year-old boy wee sị na papa na mama created ya tụrụ mmekọ nwoke na nwaanyị. You applauded him because na ife unu shodewere owu provided na ife onye ahụ na-ekwudo against Christ. Unu achọrọzi ma the other substance of messages here. That is why unu ji wee na agree with a lot of nonsense all in the name of messages. Chukwu okike abịama. Chukwu okike abịama. Chukwu okike abịama anyị na-akpọgo awọ ọjị atụpụ Chukwu okike abịama. Emife atụpụ Chukwu okike abịama. But you don't believe in spirituality. The process that led to your creation, is it physical or spiritual? Ajụjụ ka m na-ajụ, and achọrọ nke ịsa anya, achọrọ nke ibi ebe akọba ọnụ. Use your brain exam this question. Ọ bụrụ na enwere Chukwu kelegu, what it means is that the role of that God is more superseded that of your parents. It means that the process of that creation, your parents cannot even explain. Because o gosi na ọ bụrụ ife nwoke gbapụrụ gbanye n'ime nwaanyị wee ife kpụrụ ụgwọ na onwego onye kechalụ wee tinye gị n'ime fa, and onye ahụ superseded fa nwa wuzi ha physically indulge in that encounter. Kpọpụtara isi ọkpọ dụkayo, kpọpụtara isi timba dụkayo. Ịghọtago? So Chukwu okike abịama, the creation, is it physical or not physical? Can you tell me the measurement of a cement, the measurement of water, or the measurement of cement and aja or okute nwere ike izu iji wee kpụgo? Until Sam this question, this world is more spiritual than you can ever imagine. A lot of things wotarundo, a lot of things wopolondo, a lot of things in this world is more spiritual than what you can see physical. Argue with fact. If not, Bruno Kwanzuna and Ifenina on Atotufosia. I'm telling you people, Shukwabande and Naumbe Hadondo, how bury them and move on. If you don't believe in the spiritual part of this life, why do you keep calling on the spirit of your ancestors when they are no more here with us? How else are they supposed to hear you if not through spiritual means? How else are they supposed to hear you? They can only hear you mbefanondo. But how more than 30 years ago, more than 40 years ago, you are still calling on their spirit. You are still adoring them today. How else are you feeding them, giving them oji, nzu, and they do, if it is not through spiritual means and processes? On Anakotu, don't play. Share this video. I want them to answer this question, and they be ready for this engagement in the night. Only if you ne karaka tiaho in nabani ka ido woku agba kono ko wala ifa ya maho dalon.